Welcome to my channel. Netgear Router Wi-Fi 6 RAX70 setup. First, unbox and connect. Start by unboxing your Netgear RAX70 router and locating the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your modem and the other end to the yellow Internet port on the router. Then, plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Second, connect your router. Use a device, such as a laptop or smartphone, to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. The default network name, SSID, and password should be on a sticker on the router itself. Third, access router interface. Once connected to the router's Wi-Fi network, open a web browser and enter http://www.routerlogin.net or http://www.routerlogin.com in the address bar. Alternatively, you can enter the router's default IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1. Fourth, login. You will be prompted to enter the router's admin credentials. The default username is usually admin, and the default password is password. If you've changed these before, use the updated credentials. Fifth, Setup Wizard. After logging in, the Setup Wizard should automatically launch. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your router. You'll be asked to set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password, as well as other settings like security options. Sixth, firmware update. It's a good idea to check for firmware updates once the initial setup is complete. Navigate to the Settings or Administration section of the router interface to check for updates. If there's an update available, follow the prompts to install it. Seventh, optional settings. Depending on your preferences and network needs, you may want to explore and adjust other settings, such as parental controls, guest network setup, and quality of service cost settings. Eighth, final checks. Once you've configured your router to your liking, make sure all your devices can connect to the new Wi-Fi network successfully. Test the internet connection to ensure everything is working as expected. That's it. Your Netgear Router Wi-Fi 6 RAX70 should now be set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.